In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze contacts with the Contact Analytics tool in HubSpot. To get started, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and locate the reporting icon. This is the section where HubSpot keeps all your reporting and analytics tools. Hover your mouse over that reporting icon and a small menu will appear. From there, click on Reports. This will take you into the main reporting area. Inside the Reports section, you'll see another panel on the left-hand side. Here, click on Marketing to expand that category. When it opens, look for CRM Insights and click on it. This will expand again, and underneath it, you'll see an option called Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is what opens up the Contact Analytics tool that we'll be working with. You should now see your Contact Analytics dashboard or report on the screen. At the top of this page, HubSpot gives you a set of quick filters. In this example, there are three main ones: date property, date range, and contact owner. Each of these filters helps you control which contacts and which time periods you're analyzing. If you click on any of these filters, a drop-down will appear, allowing you to adjust the settings. For example, you can change the date range to focus on this month, last quarter, or a custom time period. You can also change the date property, such as when a contact was created or when they last engaged, and you can adjust the contact owner to focus on contacts assigned to a specific user. As soon as you update these filters, HubSpot automatically refreshes the analytics to match your selections. If you want to add more quick filters, look for the plus icon next to the existing ones. Click that, and a drop-down list will appear with additional filter options. You can choose from things like sales properties, deal information, order information, contact activity, and many other data points. Scroll through the list and select whatever is most relevant to your analysis. This is a great way to narrow down your view and answer more specific questions about your contacts. Below the filters, you'll first see a report summary, sometimes referred to as AI Insights, if you have enough data in your account. This summary gives you a high-level overview based on the filters you've selected. Under that, you'll see the main report area. Here, your data is displayed visually based on the filters at the top. You can switch between viewing the data over time or as totals, depending on what you want to understand. There's also a drop-down that lets you change the chart type. For example, you might see it set to a horizontal bar chart by default, but you can switch it to other views if that better fits your analysis. Beneath the visual chart, you'll see the data table. This is the summarized data behind the chart. If you prefer to work with more detailed information, you can switch from summarized data to an unsummarized data set. That will give you a more granular view of each data point involved in the report. And that's it. By logging in, navigating to the Contact Analytics tool, adjusting your quick filters, and exploring both the summary and detailed views, you can get a clear, customizable picture of your contacts in HubSpot.